Hello, I'm Angela Rose, the Child Teaching Program Director. First, I want to thank God for the opportunity to join this program. It has been such a joy working with the wonderful students. Recently, I was writing progress reports and looking at their growth and growth. I felt so grateful to see how much they have grown throughout this 3 year, both academically and spiritually. Challenge 2 is well known for being rigorous. It's demanding. The students read 18 British literature books and write 13 persuasive essays. They study Western music and art history, learn about composers and artists, and write 11 comparison essays. In biology, there are 16 lab experiments, and students are assigned 8 lab reports. They also study math, Latin, and reasoning. There are many presentation opportunities in this program as well. The students completed 2 team policy debates, 1 Lincoln Douglas debate, and many different types of speeches, such as for their art grant project, along with persuasive and impromptu. One highlight that particularly stood out was that the team policy debate preparation. I say preparation, not performance. To prepare for the debate, they had to understand their own strengths and weaknesses, as well as their teammates' strengths and weaknesses. I watched them learn to work together. They embraced one another's limitations and supported each other's strengths. That kind of teamwork requires humility and patience, and I was grateful to see this humility and patience among my students. I was seeing that in doing all the work, my students have grown in responsibility and their hard-working spirit. Last Tuesday, they submitted their final test, and I was so glad to see their deep understanding of the Challenge 2 program. I was very sure that they are very ready to dive deeper into next year's program. I am so proud of each and every one of them, and I also want to sincerely thank the parents for their steady support and prayers for their children and for me. My prayer is that each of these students finishes their homeschooling journey strong and grounded in God's grace and truth. Now it's my joy to present CCF입니다. Logan Lynch, Michael Valentine, and Sophia Abel. You want to say anything?
Hello everybody, like as my highlight, I just like how many people we have here. We didn't just have a focus, really drove into our deep this year, and I can tell I really like that because I'm trying to think how we get from there. I can tell I've been made an impact on me. Hello, I'm Daniel. My highlight is showed probably the speeches we did at the end of each semester. That was great, the speech at the end of the first semester and the impromptu speech at the end of the second semester.
I'm Susie, and my highlight this year will probably be our art group. I'm Sophia, and my highlight was probably also our discussions, and also I just felt like I learned a lot more this year than